You clicked on this video for a reason: to fix the GTA Online infinite loading screen in 2026 and actually get into a session without restarting the game 10 times. I got you, so stick with me. I'll show the fixes that work right now and why this issue keeps happening. First, force a clean session. Load into story mode. First, then open the pause menu and join invite-only session from online. Once you're in, you can invite friends or switch to public. This bypasses the broken public session matchmaking that causes infinite loads. Next, fix your network handshake. GTA Online hates strict NOT. Restart your router, then make sure UPnP is enabled or your NAT is set to moderate shock open. If you're on Wi-Fi, switch to Ethernet if possible. Unstable connections trigger endless loading loops. Now, clear cached junk. On console, fully close GTA, power down the system, not rest mode. Unplug it for 30 seconds, then reboot. On PC, verify game files and clear the Rockstar launcher cache. Corrupted cache files are a huge cause of infinite loads after updates. Another fix that works fast: disable voice chat in online settings before joining a session. It sounds random, but broken voice initialization can stall the load screen indefinitely, especially in crowded lobbies. If you're loading into a specific property or job, try spawning at a different location. Set your spawn to last location or random, then rejoin. Bad spawn points can lock the load before the world initializes. Pro tip: when GTA gets stuck loading for more than 2 minutes, suspend and resume the app, or briefly disconnect. Reconnect internet on PC. This forces a session refresh and often drops you straight into online. If this video helped you, hit the like and sub. If not, drop a comment with your platform and where it gets stuck, and I'll help you fix it.